So good evening, guys. Here we'll be working on basic programming. Okay, we'll be working on basic programming, and what we call programming languages. Programming languages are those languages that are programmed on the language. We have low level programming language, and high level programming language. Low level programming language are just like binary numbers. So high level programming languages are like Python, CSS, JavaScript, Ruby, React, and more, and so on and so forth. Then now then now we are going to be working on what we call. First of all, we want to know what basics is. Basics means beginner all purpose symbolic instruction code. That's the meaning of basics. Then now here we are going to work on QBasics. That is quick beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. So now we are going to launch on our QBasics. You can see here we have already launched our QBasics. This is how the QBasics really works. So now we are going to be working on the code now. Here we see we'll put rem, so you can save it. You have to go and download it, the QBasics, on Google Chrome or any web browser. So rem, we have rem, a program to say hello and your age. So yeah, this QBasics here, what we are just teaching you here on this QBasics is just, HTML. You will have to use what? You have to use your VS Code or your Jupyter notebook or your Notepad plus or anyone that that is good for you. So here, this one is QBasics. That's how we use the QBJS app to code this one. So what we just want to code is just, when you enter your name, you put your age, and you tell you hello, your name and your age, and how old are you understand? So now we'll make it CLS. We press enter, then CLS. Don't forget, you write it like the way I did it. Then make it what? Dim age as integer. Then we'll give it what? Dim a string. Then we'll put the word print we put what? Enter your name. Enter your name. Enter your name. You have done enter your name, then input name. Enter age. Now put it, enter age. Then next one we'll put it input age. Now make it print. Hello. This name. Then you yes wood. So now this is what I did. Let me make the end as capital letter. So guys, this is what I did here. I made it as rem, a program to say hello. Rem, that one we are going to learn. That one is on the WhatsApp channel. We are going to discuss that one on the WhatsApp channel because I know there's no time for me to discuss that. We are going to discuss that on the WhatsApp channel. So likewise what I said, we are going to discuss that one on the WhatsApp channel. As you can see the code here, rem, a program to say hello, and your age. Then the CLS, it will deem age as integer. It will then ask name as string. Then it will then put it, enter your name, enter your age. Then you print hello. You understand? So you print hello, your name, then your age and your age. Let's run it. Enter your name. Victor, your age 20. You can see hello Victor, you are 20 years old. So this thing you can try this one later. Let's figure this. This one is to share and to export it. This one is to see method. You want to see the method. That's all. That's introduction to QBasics. This is settings. You want to see the settings. You can change it. You can do any kind of thing for it. Yes. This one is what? File. This one you want to open new document, new file. This one you want to open new document. Why this one? You want to open what you have saved. Why this one is for you to save it, and this to run, and so on and so forth. All this one you need, all this one you will learn this one later. Thank you so much. Bye.